Indonesia, I am Sylvie Santilistiawati, the representative of Politeknik Negeri Madura for Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi Nasional 2018. Today, I'm going to present my idea on the development of Internet of Things or IoT technology for smart home. Internet of Things is a concept wherein an object that has the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human interaction to human or human to computer. Indonesia has become one of the large market for Internet of Things all over in the world, with a population of over 235 million people and 297 million mobile subscribers, making it has the fourth most populous country in the world. It contributes to Indonesia's potential accelerating role in the growth of the IoT, particularly IoT for smart home. Smart home assistant is a home control device that can control electronic equipment from both AC and DC sources, as well as to monitor the power consumption of the electricity. In addition, smart home assistant can be a personal assistant for users. Some comments can be given to the assistant smart home is to check calendar, read news, do calculation, translate sentence, and answer questions related to Google search. This is the prototype of smart home assistant. Let's start it. Hey Google, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Anything I can help with?
What time is it?
It's 11:27.
Hey Google, what is the weather?
Currently in Surabaya, it's 90 and partly cloudy. Today, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 92 and a low of 79.
Okay Google, translate good morning in Bahasa Indonesia.
Selamat pagi.
When I say turn on, the lamp will active. Hey Google, turn on.
You got it.
Hey Google, turn off.
Sure.
When I say start, the fan will active. Okay Google, start.
Sure.
Okay Google, stop.
Sure.
Smart home assistant is a concept of information technology application in development to utilize all sources of energy needed to effectively and efficiently create ease and convenience to the user, as well as to monitor the electrical consumption of electricity is increasing due to the increasing access to electricity or electrification, as well as change in people lifestyles. Based on data from Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources, electricity consumption in Indonesia on the period of 2017 reached 1,012 kilowatt per hour per capita, up 5.9% from the previous year. Therefore, smart home users can learn their consumption of electricity which has been used. In addition, smart home assistant can help the elderly and disabled who have limited mobility. And when compared with existing products on the market, smart home assistant more affordable and efficient. Smart home that are already sold on the market are very expensive for home user. One of them is Rumah Pintar Gekling, sold for 10.500.000. Of course, it is fantastic price when compared to the smart home assistant that use only the Raspberry Pi, speaker, USB microphone, current sensor, voltage sensor, relay with the price is 700.